Happy Risen Sunday, Royal Family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope you're having an amazing Sunday as it starts off. Today, I promised you guys I would come back. I should have did it yesterday, but I'm doing it this morning, so hopefully you can catch the recipe. I'm going to go back and do an old-fashioned chess pie. We usually would have this on our table. We loved it. My mom cooked it, so I'm going to take you back. So here I have a 9-inch pie shell, and what I like to do is pre-bake it. And to keep it from puffing in the middle, take you some parchment paper and some beans, old beans, it doesn't matter. And you can also reuse these beans every time you pre-bake your pie shell. So we're going to pre-bake this at 350. I'm going to say for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right. So here are the ingredients for this pie. All right. I have 4 eggs here. I have low-fat cultured buttermilk. But I found a trick, you guys. If you take a tablespoon of lemon juice and put it in here, it will curdle like the regular buttermilk, not the low fat. And the taste is amazing. A tablespoon of lemon juice in this, it will curdle like the whole buttermilk. All right, here we got half of a lemon. Remember, in a chess pie, you would need yellow cornmeal, all right? You're going to need flour. Let me bring this closer. You're going to need salt. You're going to need 1 stick of butter at room temperature. You're going to need vanilla extract. And you're going to need sugar. I didn't want to bring that big thing out. So this is sugar right here. But what we're going to do first, before we start any of the ingredients, we're going to let the pie pre-bake for like 10 to 15 minutes. Take it out, let it cool, and then we will start on our ingredients. All right, don't go too far. We'll be right back. Also, wait a minute. I got to show you guys my new little friend. Now, I haven't got the big friend yet, but I'm like, if I'm going to start baking again for my YouTube family, I need a mixer. So I just got this Cuisinart mixer day before yesterday. Now, I haven't got the Big Daddy. That, of course, would be a KitchenAid. But this is my little helper with the pies and, maybe small cakes. But anyway, I wanted to introduce you to my friend, Mrs. I guess she's Aqua, I'm going to say. But anyway, let me get this pie shell in. Okay, here is the pre-baked pie shell. And I did it for like 20 minutes. And you see the beans there that weighted it down so it won't bubble in the middle. So now, the only thing we're going to do is remove these. Okay. Remove the whole thing. And put it back into a bowl and use it for next time. But you see how flat my pie crust is? And it won't be doughy. The crust won't be doughy since we pre-baked it. So we're going to let this cool for about 20 minutes. Now let's get started on our chess pie ingredients. All right, to this bowl here, we're going to add 1 stick of softened butter. All right, make sure it's softened. We're going to add, it calls for 1.5 cups, but for me, I'm only going to do a cup. But if you guys like it sweeter, please add the 1.5 cups. All right, and we're going to beat this for about, I'm gonna say 4 minutes until the butter and sugar comes together, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, this is what the butter and the sugar should look like. Let me just take this out of the spatula. And then we're going to add 4 eggs, but we're going to add them one at a time. So let's put this back down. And then let's start with our eggs, one at a time. Okay, I think I need to speed this up a little bit. So we're adding the eggs to this, and I'll come back. Okay, this is the mixture right here. Once I've added the 4 eggs, now we're going to add the cornmeal. It is 2 tablespoons of cornmeal and 1 tablespoon of flour. And what the flour does, it helps thicken it up. So that's the second one. Now let's add the 1 tablespoon of flour. Okay, we're going to give this a quick stir. Come back. We're going to add the buttermilk, the vanilla extract, and the salt. Okay, now we're getting ready to pour the batter into the pie crust. And we're going to bake it at 350 for about an hour. Okay, let's go ahead and put that in there. And you see how, I'll show you. Okay. And you see how it's kind of bubbly at the top? That is the cornmeal, and that is what is going to give you that nice, I guess, mealy texture on your pie. All right, 350 for about an hour. So when I will come back, I will show you the finished presentation and product of our old-fashioned chess pie.